Welcome back to workshop, everyone. Raise your hand if you hate reading comprehension like I do. That's a lot of us here, right? So one of the reasons I hate reading comprehension is it's boring, it's complex, and my mind goes everywhere. So we have our con strategies that we've evolved for like the last 30 years, so our 30th year. So I need a volunteer to read KT Step 1, please. Give me a volunteer, please. Go ahead.
Take 3 deep breaths before beginning.
All right, everyone, why did we take 3 deep breaths? We spoke about it in the earlier section. Why? Go ahead.
Like calm down after doing.
Clear our minds. It's going to be at least 4 or 5 passages, 9 to 10 questions per passage. KT Step 2, briefly scan the questions without too much focus to get a general sense of what to look out for. Do not read the answer choices, it will waste time. We're going to quickly go to our sample questions for today's exercise, and then we're going to skip the passage, and we're going to go straight to the questions, and which of the following best tells what this passage is about, and which of the following locations would an aqueous foam be expected to disappear most rapidly, so you have a good idea of the types of questions. Let's go back to our strategies screen, please. So step 3, start reading the passage with a lot of focus. Everyone take out your pencils, please. Let's make sure we have our pencils. All right, let's go to today's passage where we are. Let's go to the actual passage itself. Let's go back to the passage. So today's passage, this was how foam works. We're ready to use the pencil to underline every single 3 to 4 lines to remind ourselves, am I understanding? At the end of every single paragraph, let's go back to the strategies. Underline every 5 lines and ask yourself, am I understanding? Next up, write 3 to 4 summary words that are common theme at the end of every single paragraph. What do we call that, everyone? Perfect. So let's go back. Here at Cons, we have the annotation boxes here for you. So please use these at the end of every single paragraph. Stop and quickly write 3 words, 4 words that'll summarize it. Let's go back to the 5. Next step, please, on the strategies. Perfect. So then, after that, read each question with a lot of focus. Cover the answer choices. Sometimes what I like to do is I like to cover the answer choice, read the question myself, answer it in my mind, and then find the matching answer choice. Once you do that, do you want to bubble everything at the end, or do you want to keep bubbling on your Scantron as you go through the exam? All right, perfect. So bubble the matching choice, smile and move on to the next one. It's going to be a big section, a lot of passages, a lot of questions. All of you, if you use these steps, you'll have some of the best scores in New York City. So let's get started with the reading comprehension section. We'll put the timer on.